Still trip over. Hey, we can see the other end of it. Beaut. That's brilliant. Okay, I'm down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6!
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Waipukurau means waters of the Pukurau, which is a kind of fungus. And Waipukurau is named after a Maori pa, which was located nearby. And it's the largest town in central Hawke's Bay, being 50 kilometres from the town of Hastings. A Henry Russell founded the town and turned it into a model village in the 1860s. A freezing works opened in 1889 with flax processing plants and sawmilling soon after. Henry Russell built a homestead in 1853, and because it was the only house in the district, travellers who found themselves stranded by nightfall would end up there. So, to spare his wife from hosting duties constantly, he built an accommodation house called the Tavistock. Today, the Tavistock Hotel, relocated to this new site closer to the railway station, is said to be the bar that inspired Alan Duff's Once Were Warriors bar in the movie. The Tavistock has been a courthouse, a church, and home to Waipukurau's first all-black Bill or Bull Irvine in 1922 when his parents owned it. And today, it's said to be haunted by a few ghosts as a stabbing took place in one toilet, a crying boy in another toilet, and a rancid, decomposing smell of Ma Bartram, who worked there once, but her body wasn't found for several days. After World War II, the town boomed, with car yards opening to meet the demand from wealthy farmers, but by the 1970s, Waipukurau's farming profits declined, and many businesses and banks closed. It had 6 banks at its peak, leaving the meat processing plant its biggest employer. I think it's a coffee and food place now, not a railway station. Okay. Look at that. This is a model of where the 7 Maori pa was situated around the Waipukurau and Takapau areas, sharing stories of this land and its significance. I wonder what it was. Not much anymore. Anyway, we're going to count down. This Mount Vernon homestead, built by John Harding in 1882, was modelled after US President George Washington's Mount Vernon homestead in Virginia, USA. As John Harding was an earnest admirer of George Washington, the homestead is now a villa and is an A-grade heritage building. We are on a mission to find a tunnel that we know is around here somewhere, but Here are some notable people who lived in Waipukurau once. Joe Peterson, once the Premier of Queensland, Australia, lived in Waipukurau as a young child. And Hiniwihi Mohi, best known for singing the New Zealand national anthem in Māori during the Rugby World Cup in 1999, she was born here in Waipukurau.
Sorry? The bridge has been wiped out. No. Yay, it's what we're after. Super. So we're going to abandon our bikes, am I right? I hope no one will steal them. Oh, I've got my helmet on still. Dilbert. Hope these Hawke's Bay people are trustworthy. Okay, let's go. Hey. Still trip over. Oh man, this case. This is lovely. You've come to a stop. What does that mean? Oh look! Yay! Super! Bobby? Hey, we need torches. Hello? You want me to go first? Oh, is that on? Oh no, it's not a very bright one. I don't have my glasses on, Robert. Oh, hey, we can see the other end of it. Beaut. That's brilliant. But we're ducking all the way, aren't we? Cool. Are there any bugs? Spiders? Anything of interest? How are you doing with your bending? If I'm bending, then you're bending. Am I right? Is that a water level? Is that where the water race went, Bobby? That's water level at the side. Do you know how it works? Oh, spiders. Oh, look. One's running away. There's a spidey. Oh no. Oh no. So there are spiders in here. Just what I needed to know.
The Lindsay Tunnel is part of a water race system that's approximately 10 kilometres long. It was built in the 1870s by the Harding family of Mount Vernon to enable a gravity-fed water system from the Waipawa stream to the Mount Vernon Station Homestead. The tunnel is 200 metres long and became obsolete in 1905, but for the main part it remains clean and dry as when it was formed.
How cool is this? What is it made of? Rock. Total rock. You still coming, Bobby? You alright? Your torch bright enough, Bobby? Yay! Ah! Touched my head. Don't want to touch my head. It's scary. Up above. Shiz again. Oh no. Caleb's been... We're nearly at the end of it. What the heck was that? Someone's hair. Don't scare me, someone's hair. Dangling. Gee. That's scary. You've caught up to me. We're back to the bends. You right? You right, Bobby? She's hard, isn't it? Gonna feel like I've had a day weeding in the garden. Jingos. Look, we're nearly there. What is that? A bird's nest. That's interesting. Oh no, spiders again. Got the spiders. Oh no. Oh no. They don't go further into the... They stay at there. The spiders stay near the entrances. Isn't that fascinating? Wow. Oh heck. Right. Let's head down. Let's go. Oh man, it's even narrower at this end. Whoa. Heck. Whoa. I should be crawling on my hands and knees. Whoa. I think animals will come in here. It's refuge. Ooh, mud. Ah, I'm touching the top. Whoa. Here we go. That's tough, huh? Whoa. That was a hard one. Back bending. What does this say? Please return through the tunnel. This is private property. And there's a road right here. Hey. Okay. That's where the animals escape in. Right. Let's go. Okay. Through the mud. Don't want to slip though. No, I don't. Yuck. So what did I do? Oh man, that's bloody. I'm just on my knees. Oh no. Okay. The worst bit? I think so. Okay. See my breath? Look at that. Must be quite cold under here, Bobby. Nearly at the other end. Super. It's fun. Yay, our bikes are still here. Yay. Thank you, Hawke's Bay. Super. Alright, let's go back. Bikes are on. And this is a trip that our daughter Tansy used to drive when she lived here. Our next mission is to find a swing bridge that we know is over the Tuki River. better get off the bike track. And it's got bike tracks. Well, we don't know where we're going. Sand. The Tuki River? Is it? How lovely. Yeah, but I can't climb down here. Might take this route. Looks better. Wow, looks like the water's been way up here. Is that Cyclone Gabriel? Okay, I might turn this off. I'm here. Where are you? Oh no. Oh! I got down, you got up. What's the plan? Okay. I'll climb back up too then. Go your route. It's nice. Where's it falling from, that kapok? Which tree? Out there. We're on the other side of the Tuki River now. We can't find the swing bridge. Even though they're giving us maps wherever we park up, we can't read the map. Oh, he's stripping off. It's hot. Let's see if we can skim it, eh? Yeah. You gonna come and play my game? Come on. Yes. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Gonna beat my 6, Bobby. Go. Oh. 1. 1. Oh, 1. Oh, 1. Bobby, you're a dick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 6 did it. Happy? High five. You didn't win. We'll come back with our bikes. The farmer's working. There's one in there. You think look at all that driftwood. Probably from Gabriel in this Tuki River. Took off. We think. Yeah. So this is where we were yesterday. So we'll carry on, see if like we did. Okay, I'm down. My pedal hit that. Look, it was just jumped and I just rolled into the grass. Nice landing. Let's go. Get back on. We are muddy. Right through the water. Clean me off.
Toki means to demolish. How appropriate, as we think the river must have flooded during Cyclone Gabrielle and demolished the swing bridge we've been searching for.
Grassy bit, don't trip over. Mud everywhere, show me. Down on your feet, on your back. How's mine? I feel wet. Alright, muddy? No. Me too. A little bit. High five.